Yo, what's going on? It's your boy Mike Lowy, KSM Trading 25 on Instagram. You know what we did today? We was patient and smacked some more trades. So let's get into it, bro. This is what we were watching. Honestly, pre-market, I didn't even like pre-market for half of these. Meta, oh damn, that Meta went crazy. I missed that pullback right here. That would have been gorgeous. Um, but yeah, so other than that, what we caught today. First things first. Whoops. AMD, bro. AMD. We got off the rip, right? We had this beautiful break and retest. Um, on 5 minute, it looked like this, right? So could always do one of these. Put a stop loss like halfway right here on this support, right? 20-cent stop for a dollar reward. So, uh, that's what I did. I just target previous highs from here and then trim and then trim. And then 141 would have been full TP. But obviously, we never got there. So my runner broke out at break even, right? Or sold at break even. So that was a gorgeous. That was a gorgeous trade, and all that did was just break a key level and retest it. So that's how you play that. Spy, we did absolutely gorgeous, right? So this is a fake uptrend. All right, this is not a sustainable uptrend. So when the market just goes like that, straight up, that is all manipulation, right? You kind of do accumulation, manipulation, distribution on it. So we call it the distribution, right? So I had these levels on here already pre-drawn from the night before, and this level was from this area where it rejected hard last time, right? So now this was a pre-market level, and Thursdays, a level for Thursday support. Um, so we had to come back and fill this gap, right? Before we wanted to push lower, if we want to push lower. Then we had this whole day of consolidation, right? So we came straight to this gap fill, and then this becomes, if you break past 624.5, now this would be your stop loss, right? So from here we went short, and still you could just do a 50-cent stop, because really it's just a candle close. It's just a candle break and close above the 624.5, and I'm out. And then we just had chop, 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 and then that baby just went. I mean, yeah. So that was a gorgeous, $3 move on SPY. Um, However, right, I missed this entry here, even though my level was there, and I was like, came back to it as it was down here. So this hasn't happened yet, right? So I'm just watching it, and I'm like, all right, well, let's see if we bounce. Like I need confirmation before I put my money into it. So here we go. This was the confirmation, and then I was like, oh my gosh, like give me a pullback, and that's what that little cross was. That was my pullback. So I'm gonna switch to 2 minute here. Let me cancel this, bruh. There we go. All right, so after we clearly got our confirmation, I was just waiting. Like this failure to make this higher high, and then same thing here could have entered there too. Um, but like I said, I came back to the computer to spy, and it was already here. So let's see if we break this, and then sure enough, we broke that low and just tanked. So there's no reason to chase yet. It could still come right here and bounce. I'm not chasing nothing. Clean 5 minute candle close, break below, came up for the retest, and this was the entry to the downside. All right, so I took it from 622.80 down to 621.13. Now I did sell here, even though it's not my full TP. Don't be a dick about a tick, bro. Take your profits. There's nothing wrong with that. And then look, we gotta either way. That's a bullish sold. So like this could start pushing back up. Like now, did we just grab this liquidity to go? But we gotta wait for confirmation. So dude, this stuff's fun. And at the end of the day, honestly, trading can change your life. I mean, if you just stay consistent and just little by little, keep your 9 to 5, but just invest. Like everyone should invest. Like swing trades, some day trades, some index funds. Like you got to diversify your portfolio. You can't just have all your eggs in one basket or just only put it in a savings account, which does nothing for you. Like if you're not even in at least a high yield savings account, like your money is sitting there doing nothing for you, just helping the banks. So keep that in mind. Questions, comments, concerns, let me know. Like, comment, subscribe. Let's go, baby.